Hello, I'm Sam and I've been playing drums for over 20 years now, and throughout my, if you like to call it, drumming career, I've played in many bands covering many genres from blues, jazz, hip hop, pop punk, acoustic, metal, gent, all that sort of stuff. I've played many different genres over those years. I've played many festivals, small time, some bigger festivals as well, lots of pubs, lots and lots of pubs indeed, all around the country, and also played a few of the O2 academies in that time as well. When it comes to drumsticks, I need something that's durable, well balanced, and of course comfortable to hold for long periods of time. And that's why I chose Collision Drumsticks as my drumstick of choice. I'm currently using the 5AR range of sticks, and when I first started using Collision, I used the 5As. So whether I'm using the 5As or the 5ARs, both types of stick were able to give me the power and precision that I need when I'm playing. There's a few reasons why I chose Collision over other brand of drumsticks. Now, these sticks are very durable. When I had my 5As, I was using them for a good few years before they decided to break on me. And by then, they were literally chipped down the neck here to an absolute shred. Also, the community that Collision offers as well. Collision seems to be supporting a lot of up and coming artists and musicians, which is great to see. Most importantly, on a personal level for me, the balance and the feel of the sticks. They feel so natural in the hand, almost like an extension of my arm. So they're really comfortable to hold for long periods of time. So the clip I'm going to show now is of my band, the Peppermint Apes, where we were performing Come Together by the Beatles. At the point in this video, I was using the 5A sticks from Collision, and I've only recently taken order of the 5ARs. But still, as I said earlier, the 5As and the 5ARs both give me the same great performance that I need when I'm playing. So thank you very much for watching, and thank you to Collision for taking me on as an endorsed artist, and I really enjoy using their sticks, and I can't wait to put the 5ARs through their paces.